Hi, this is Anna with Big Bear Vans. I'm a project manager, and today I want to show you one of the new things that we've applied in our cabinetry for this custom 170 Sprinter build for a family of 4. They opted out to have a wider seat at the entrance that reclines into a full-size bed. That is why we needed a solution how to enter the van smoothly. So they will be entering the van from the sliding door, and because with kids especially, you want them not to hit any angles, and we made a curved cabinet over here. So I've been posting a few days ago when our CNC was cutting lots of small stripes, and I even mistook them for window trims, but these were actually the structure that is installed here, and then there is a top layer that curves around it. To curve around this slope, CNC cut a lot of grooves on the inner side of the plywood. So when you put them together and you apply force, it bends around the ribs. Of course, you need also to use water and steam to make it smooth. After the process was done, right now it is sanded, and also we used Bondo to finish it up. And now it is smooth and round, and it will be painted sage green, nice color, and it will go right into this van.